This bird impales its victim on a thorn before eating it. Meet the shrike. The butcherbird shrikes are small songbirds with big personalities from the family Lin. Known for their striking black masks and hooked bills, they have earned the nickname the butcherbirds due to their unusual habit of impaling their prey on thorns, barbed wire, or sharp branches. The impaling behavior serves a dual purpose. It secures the prey for later consumption and also advertises the shrike's territory to potential mates despite their small size. Shrikes are ferocious predators, taking down prey much larger than themselves using their strong feet, and hooked bill shrikes might be small, but they are fierce and ingenious hunters. Their impaling behavior and hunting skills are a testament to nature's endless diversity.